Here we go, guys. Real quick video on altcoins and what to expect near term. But first, we want to go back in history a little bit here. And as you can see on the far left-hand side of the chart, we have this parabolic run. Those that were in the game back in, 2017, we got in. Just not that I did anything special. I was just at the right place, right time. First quarter, 2017. Litecoin, so on and so forth. Y'all guys know how that turned out. We came back in bear market 2018, double bottom here from the COVID slam down. This white arrow was was our last halving, okay, in May of 2020, and then boom, consolidation, popped up a little bit more consolidation, consolidation, parabolic run, okay? And the reason why that's important to know is that it lasted about a year for the first top, came back in, and then an additional 182 days we were able to run. And if you match these dates, you can pull up a weekly chart. What you want to use, the trick is use this total three because it kicks out Bitcoin and Ethereum, ETH. Okay, the two big boys it kicks out, and that's all your lower market cap altcoins. So that's I try to drill down as deep as we can to get those type of results for the altcoins. But anyway, that's what you want to look at. And as you can see, present day. Well, let's go back a little bit further. We were in this descending wedge formation, and then we popped out, had some consolidation, pulled back down. But as you can see, we never went lower than this last, the first breakout here, the first of this year, actually. And we made a higher low here, higher low there. And then, the altcoins, the good ones have taken off. Now, we had an official breakout confirmation the week of the 23rd of October. So go back to your coin, whatever that may be, to kind of judge how strong it is, how strong it may be in the future. If you had for that week, a pretty decent bullish engulfing candle closing there, then your altcoin is getting some love. It's getting some money coming in. Okay, present day, here we are. Last 3 weeks, we've been consolidating above the 200, which is positive, bullish. Our near-term support, should we pull back, should there be sell-offs for whatever reason, will be that 200, that purple line here, okay? And this high pivot, and the consolidation zone here, all that instead of being resistance, resistance. Matter of fact, even going over here, let me pull that over, make it easier for you to see. All that has been resistance, resistance, slam, and then resistance. Now it's holding as support should something happen. Now this was our previous, again, resistance zone, this high pivot where we came out, did a 180 pull back. We're now on the weekly candle here, aggressively moving up and over that. Now there's another reason for that, okay? And our Patreon members know what this green dash line is. That's a specific measured move. And once we're over that, as they say in Texas, Katie bar the door, we're running up to the previous all-time high as far as market cap for your altcoins, okay? But in the meantime, we're looking at Bitcoin dominance. So it looks like some big players out there. See this big sell-off candle? This is the weekly. All this is rotation out of Bitcoin into the altcoins, okay? And you're going to see this play out time and time again where they run Bitcoin up and then they slowly take profits out and roll them either into stable coins or the altcoins. And then as Bitcoin gets stronger, stronger, and continues its updrive, you'll see more and more money capitalization coming out of Bitcoin, the dominance of Bitcoin rolling in to the altcoins. I mean, you can almost you can look at the weekly or even daily candles of the dominance and use that as a very strong, reliable, credible um, uh, indicator for how well your altcoins are doing. Okay, and as you can see, we have another measured move here. We had not confirmed over it, and it's a very strong indicator. This is one of the things we teach our Patreon members. But anyway, yeah, the dominance is coming back in a little bit. And let's go ahead and go to Bitcoin here. And let's go to the daily, and you'll see, we're getting a little pullback into this breakout candle. Let me take everything off, and I'll tell you why. Near term, now it did not pan out down here. 70% of the time, when you get a near term breakout like this candle here on Bitcoin, okay, the 1st of December, 70% of the time you get either consolidation and or a little pullback, okay? Basically it fails, okay? Now right here, we had a potential, near term high close on that candle. And as you can see, we're beginning to either consolidate or possibly pull back in here. Okay, so it's going to take, quite a bit of positive, bullish, bull buy volume in order to push this thing up again. Okay, because we're getting far and away from the 20, and the price never gets too far and away from that 20 before it starts either trading sideways, as you see here, or pulling back into the 20. Okay, just kind of a little freebie there. But all right, guys, appreciate you watching. Check us out on X, and also on our Patreon members group, and we'll show you and teach you how to trade these charts. And in the meantime, we'll see you on the charts.